Is this one leaking? No, it's not leaking. Alright, the other side's leaking, a Chinese one. This has not been serviced in a very long time. Kind of need to use, I would say it'll probably going to last another 10-15,000 miles. Which should bring us to the point of where it's only 89 degrees instead of 109 like it is now. Only 89, maybe for an hour. Drum's still in very good shape. I've watered my drums. I don't like using brake cleaner, especially when it's humid. You gotta breathe that shit. The smell just lingers. Wash them out with water, and they need some painting. I had a set of these that need to get cut. I didn't want to have a brake lathe. The original ones, they would have been fine, but the fucking cheap ass brake shoes I bought at one point in time tore the hell up fast. Oh man, I'm missing. Oh, I'm missing. Oh well. Not even gonna grease them, nothing. Get that shit out of here. Gotta real wash it away. Condo land, brake service, $100-something probably this is. Doing it in 5 minutes, very fast. I remember in this truck years ago, I worked at a shop, it was almost about closing. I asked someone, I think I could clean and adjust my brakes. Like, the clock was like, if you can't do that in 15 minutes, don't even think about working on cars. And I remember that quote. And I did it in 15 minutes or less.